We also introduced Veeam Vault earlier this year. As you might remember, Veeam Vault gives you near instantaneous access to secure cloud storage for your backups, right from your Veeam Data Platform console. You just let us know how much capacity you need, and we'll seamlessly set up a secure cloud repository. This will not only save you time, reduce complexity, and improve security, but it will also reduce the load on your IT teams. Veeam Vault today relies on zero trust data resilience principles, so that your backups are always logically air-gapped from production, always immutable, and always encrypted. This gives you the necessary confidence that your data is protected, properly controlled, and safeguarded, ready for a clean recovery in the event of a data loss. The icing on the cake with Veeam Vault is that we've eliminated the headaches of complex cloud storage pricing models. They have traditionally layered storage consumption with almost impossible to predict network egress and metered API fees. Veeam Vault is predictably priced, where all these network and API usage fees are included in one flat price. It really is time to say goodbye to unpredictable backup storage costs in the cloud.